What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at a knife from Omesio. I'm probably butchering the heck out of that name, but let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. Alright, so here's the packaging. And this is your identification numbers. Made in China, of course. They have it as a neck knife, but the thing I like about this knife is it does actually come with a really looks like a good little pocket clip or belt clip. So let's get this sucker out. All right. Okay. All right. So there's your chain for your neck knife if you so desire. But there's the pocket belt clip. That is nice. It's got some good retention. I'm not a neck knife person, so I am going to go ahead and eliminate that. I don't want to wear it around my neck. Okay. Yeah, retention's good. Just it felt a little softer for a second. Yeah. Ooh, that actually really, for a small knife, actually feels really good. Now, I will say that this comes in a drop point version too, but unfortunately, I've seen it doesn't have the jimping on the top of the blade. Oh yeah, that gives you some good grip. And I love that finger choil right there. That's nice. This is an interesting little thingamajig there. Let's kind of clean this blade off. Got some oil on it. Yeah, it's interesting. There's no sharpening choil, so it would make sharpening a little bit of a challenge, as you can kind of tell. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it really could have put a sharpening choil in there, but whatever, just grind it off. Sharpen it right off if need be. But man, that's a good little knife. And like I said, I like the size overall. Here's the Wooks. So you can just get a little bit of a size difference. The AK1 by Boker and Daily Knives, just so you can get a little bit of a size comparison there. What else we got up here? Some of that. Throw a cold steel in there for good measure. Problem is with cold steel is they always overdo things. If this was all just a bit smaller, it would have just been so much better. But anyway, I digress. So let's get rid of these. So yeah, very good little knife. D2 steel, as you can see right there. They do have it marked on there, so hopefully it actually is. Of course, the handle is, your glass reinforced polymer. Not too bad. Could have a little bit more machining in there to give you a little bit more grip, but yeah, it fits pretty good in the hand. I mean, for such a small handle. This is like a 3-inch blade, I want to say. Yeah, I think so. Looking for a tape measure, and of course you can never find anything when you need it. But anyway, yeah, it's a really interesting little knife. I like it. You could probably tighten up the screws maybe a little bit, get a little more retention. It doesn't fall out. So, and like I said, that pocket clip, that's killer. That's killer. That'll work really good for a belt. Maybe even for a pocket. Let's try it on pocket real quick. Yeah. Yep. It'll work in the pocket. I can't even you have to really pull on it to get it back out of my sweatpants. But yeah, that's a cute little knife. So there you guys go. That's just a quick unboxing of the Omesio however you want to pronounce it. But there you guys go. You can get this on Amazon. It is $25. Is it a good deal? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it holds up overall. All right, guys. We'll catch you next time for the full review. Have a great day.